Hey guys, welcome back to Make or Break. I'm Sarah, and last week I was out because my little girl wasn't feeling well. While I was gone, Rob made her something really cute, and here's how it went.
This place just isn't the same without little Zoe running around. And last week she took ill, and of course that means Sarah had to stay home with her. So I had some time to myself in the shop and decided to make something for Zoe. Now Sarah mentioned that Zoe wanted her own picnic table for their backyard. So I headed over to Instructables and I found the perfect plan shared by kputney for this adorable picnic table for kids. All I needed was 8 1x4 8-foot cedar deck boards, which came out to only $8,500. All right, I'm kidding. These are Weather Shield pressure treated boards from Home Depot, which were only $5.47 each, which wasn't so bad. I felt really terrible for the guy buying OSB for $75 a sheet though. Anyways, I got my 8 pieces and started making my cuts on the miter saw. The plans are super simple. You cut 2 seat supports, 2 tabletop supports, 2 center supports, 4 legs, and 9 tabletop and bench pieces. Now to hold it all together, I used 1 1/4 inch outdoor decking screws from Spacks. To start, I chose the best looking pieces for the tabletop and laid them out how I wanted to use them. Next, I set up the top supports and screwed them together on the ends. Then I flipped the support over, centered the first top piece, and screwed it down. The other 4 pieces came next until the top was all screwed together. When that was done, I turned the top over and clamped the legs in place. Then I screwed them on from the inside with 4 spacks on each leg. Next, I needed to attach the seat supports to the legs, and to get them in the right spot, I simply stood 2 scrap pieces vertically and another on top, which held the support exactly where I needed to screw it in. I did the same thing on the other side, then screwed the cross supports in. Then I got to flip it over, and I got super excited at this point. I finally screwed the seat pieces in place, and that's it. Look at that beauty. Now, they recommend finishing this with a varnish, but Sarah wasn't sure if she wanted to paint it instead, so I left it as is for now. It is pressure treated, so it'll be fine until she decides. This turned out to be a really inexpensive and easy project that just about anyone can do. If you have a little one in your life that enjoys the outdoors as much as Zoe does, I highly suggest that you give this a try. I'm gonna leave a link to the Instructable below so you can make one too.
Zoe absolutely loves this, and if you have a little one that loves outside as much as she does, I really recommend making one. I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us that we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with heart. All right, break's over. Go make something.